Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. So, do you want to have results like this you see there now? Okay, the last two trades was losing trades, but by the way, we have 7 and 8 times trades for each two losers. So you can say two losers of 10 trades, or three losers for each 10 trades. My strategy is around between 70 and 80% win rate. What we basically do, we do things stupid simple. But before I show you that, make sure you join this broker also, IQSense. You find link below the video. Also below the video you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So yes, make your first deposit count. Also, the first link, you'll find a link to my Discord. We do trade there live every single Saturday, so make sure you join there and be a part of the crew there. Okay, now I'll show you fast how this strategy works. I'll see if we can find, maybe we take a trade also, if we can find a good setup. But you need to be patient when you're trading this. So here, for example, I would have taken a trade here, because you see most of the time when you come down here, we see it close above this region here. But now you can currently see he broke it. So yes, of course, you will have losers. No one can come tell you that they have a strategy that wins 100%. But basically, you're looking for specific areas of interest. So let me show you if I can find a good example for you here now. And we need at least the 3 times that we see a test of an area. Like down here, almost. Let me see. Sometimes you need to look a little before you find something, of course. Here, perfect. This is a perfect example of an area I would trade easily. So I will put my line conservative around there. You see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times you come to that region. And that means the next time also is a huge chance he will just spike it and jump up. So that is basically what I'm doing. I'm looking for the specific areas where we see that he stops. Like even in the top here now, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So even in the top here now, I will take a trade if he come up around there. So let's see, if you come up there now, I will take it. Let's see. Just so you can see that I even can walk the walk, not just talk. I don't remember how you say this. English is not my main language. But yes, I will sell up here now and buy here. Super simple. So, if you try this out, you will be successful. We do this live every single day. And now, let's see now. It's not written in stone I will win, but it's a high probability of win. So now let's see. Now we just need to wait. Just wait. If he breaks, then that's okay. Now let's see. Looks like we're going to win this trade, because you see when you come up here, we get a spike and he go down. So let's see. Now we just need to wait. I think now the zone is done. There you see. $195. It's that simple. So I hope you join me in Discord. I hope you can implement this strategy into you, and so you can start to make money also. So first, open with this broker, make a small deposit or whatever you feel for, and then join my Discord and let's try together. See you there. Have an amazing day.